What is going on, guys? It's Kevin back in with a quick video. Now, this is just a little quick story video about something automotive related. So here in Georgia, we have a place called Bargain Hunt. And if you don't know what that is, it's kind of like a Big Lots. They pretty much sell everything from like clothes to electronics. But every Friday, they have big totes of return Amazon stuff. And they don't go through it. It's just totes. You got to go in there and you'll find empty boxes. You'll find, you know, anything from toys to electronics and stuff like that. And it starts off at $7 on the first day. And then it goes from $7 to $5 on Monday. And then it goes down to $1. But by the time you get to the dollar stuff, you're just finding empty boxes and random bullshit. So today I was there, and today was a $7 day, and they just put it out there. So I was going through the stuff and found a box that just said performance on it. And I was like, what the fuck is this? And I grabbed the box and it was empty. But after I grabbed the box, I looked it up online, like what that company did. And I was like, oh, that's really, really cool. So then I was thinking, well, why the fuck would somebody buy this stuff without the box if the box is right here, right? So I started scrummaging through everything. And on the very last tote is when I found it. And I found this right here. Now, if you don't know what that is, it is actually called an exhaust cutoff. So if you have a stock exhaust system, you know it's quiet. It comes from the manufacturer, it's quiet. So this is at a push of a button. It's kind of a butterfly valve inside that opens up. That gives you a basically an open exhaust. It increases torque. Well, first of all, it increases the sound of it. So it's kind of like an equalizer for your exhaust system. But it improves horsepower, torque, acceleration, all that stuff. And it goes for this amount of money. And I wound up paying $7 for this, for both of them. Like, the whole kit was $7. And I got it home and I checked it. I was like, fuck, this is a great deal. Plus, also, I got, for another $7, let me show you guys here, 2 light bars for my Ram that I'm gonna throw in my Ram. So light bars are like, I don't know, you can get light bars for like 80 bucks. You can get some cheap ones for like 50 bucks, but still for $7, and then $7 for something that's worth 400. So, you know, I got $500 worth of stuff for like 14 bucks. So I just thought that was a funny story. I might keep one and sell the other because, you know, the Lexus is a single exhaust, so I only need one of them. But I might keep the other one for, let's say, a future project car. It's always good to have. I mean, if I only paid $7, you know, I could make a little bit of money. But then again, if I like how it sounds on the Lexus, what would be the point of selling it? And then, you know, one day later, you know, when I get another project car, buy another one for us. But yeah, I thought that was cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I love secondhand stuff, and I love good finds like that. It's kind of like flipping cars. When you find a car that's like super cheap and you can get it for next to nothing, it just gives you kind of like an adrenaline rush. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and I will, I guess, talk to you guys later.